In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a professional flyer using Adobe Express. Whether you are promoting a business event or a personal project, this tool makes the design process incredibly simple and fast. To get started, navigate to the Adobe Express homepage and look for the large plus icon. Once you click that, a menu will appear where you can select the flyer option. This is a crucial first step because it automatically sets your canvas to the standard 8.5 by 11-inch size, ensuring your work is ready for printing later on. Now that your blank canvas is ready, you have two main paths to take. You can start from scratch, but most people find it much easier to use a template. Head over to the Templates tab on the left side of the screen. Here, you can search for specific themes like a seasonal sale or a grand opening. When you find a design that fits your vision, just click it to load it onto your workspace. From here, the real fun begins as you customize the elements. You can click on any text box to change the wording or swap out the background images with your own high-quality photos. Adobe Express allows you to adjust colors and fonts with just a few clicks, so that